This stunning, picture-perfect custom home offers a fabulous floor plan with one-level living and the option for expansion with the additional square footage in the massive lower level. Sited on a 1/3 acre well-landscaped, private lot. The picturesque curb appeal and quiet location are certain to impress. The home features an open, flowing, floor plan accentuated by gleaming hardwoods throughout, 9 ceilings with vaulted ceiling in great room and tray ceiling in dining room. The large great room has a corner gas fireplace and is open to the nicely appointed dining room. The kitchen features granite counters, custom cabinets, tile backsplash, black appliances, gas stove and opens to a large eat-in area. The deck with Trex decking is adjacent to the breakfast area, as is the expansive 3-season screen porch, also with Trex decking. Large first-floor master suite with generous walk-in closet and bathroom featuring large jetted tub, shower and dual sinks, opens to the rear deck. The 2 bedrooms on the opposite side of home away from the master bedroom share an additional bathroom. The unfinished lower level offers tremendous potential for additional bedrooms, large recreation media room, storage and already has a full bath. The ground level access provides the potential for an in-law or boomerang child suite. The home also includes a Rinnai tankless hot water heater, whole house generator, crown molding throughout, 2-car garage, and covered storage area under the deck for all your lawn tools. Often called Virginia's best kept secret, live like you are on vacation every day in amenity-rich Lake of the Woods. Great commuter options to the Washington, D.C. job market, just over 60 miles to the new Amazon headquarters. What better way to live the relaxing lifestyle after your workday than to discover that lake life is the best life? Enjoy the 2 lakes and the many water sports possible.